everyone, this is Aham. I'm very glad to know that IRHSS Edayur has taken the initiative to launch an English club, Speakia, for their students. I'm sure we are all aware of the growing importance of the English language. IRHSS has recognized that particular aspect and have provided a golden platform for the students to improve their English language and communication skills. I have no words to appreciate the management and teachers for working relentlessly and doing such a great favor for the leaders of tomorrow. I feel blessed and excited to have gotten the opportunity to inaugurate this fabulous club, Speakia, on July 3rd, 11 a.m. I'm eagerly looking forward to meet and talk to all of you. I wish all the success to the school and this club. See you there.
They grow. Language shapes the way we think and determines what we can think about. Good morning, everyone. Let's start the inaugural ceremony of Speakia with a morning prayer. I welcome the quiet team
to inaugurate our English club, Speakia, at our institution. This momentous occasion fills our hearts with pride and joy. It signifies the birth of a platform that will foster a deep appreciation of English language and its myriad facets. English, as we all know, is a global language of communication, knowledge and opportunity.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. On this occasion, I am really happy with the presence of our chief guest. Aham Bicha is a +1 student. He is studying at Ansar English School for +1 commerce. Now he is a noted person. Now I think you know him very well.
Thank you so much for that wonderful introduction. Respected dignitaries on and off the dais, teachers, and my dear friends, a great day to all of you. On this auspicious occasion, I stand before you with extreme pleasure to have gotten the opportunity to inaugurate Speakia. So let me express my deep gratitude to you all for inviting me. English language plays a dominant role in almost all fields in the present globalized world. In the 21st century, the entire world has become narrow, accessible, shareable and familiar to all the people because English is used as the common language. So learning English and being able to communicate nicely is very important. And I'm so very happy that IRHSS has taken the initiative to launch this English club. With utmost pleasure, let me come into my duty. I hereby declare Speakia officially open and inaugurated. Thank you so much, and may this club ignite the spark in you. Thank you so much.
Only for you to get inspired at the smaller age where have we reached. That should be a motivation for you too. So let us.
Let me start by asking you all a question. Can anyone sitting in front of me tell me which is the most important, two most important D's in our life. Two most important D's in our life. Okay, I'll give you a clue. Try a word which starts with the letter D, which has a great role in our life. Come on. Is determination and desire. What is it? Determination and desire. Before I begin, let's give a huge round of applause for all those who spoke up. So this is what Speakia matters. It's all about speaking up. Now what is desire? Desire is a wish or your goal that you want to achieve. What about determination? Determination is your decision. Your decision to achieve that goal no matter what happens. Now let me share my experience with these two D's, determination and desire. Now since my childhood, I have always loved telling stories. I believe I acquired that skill from my mom, who used to tell me bedtime stories, to make me sleep. How many of you had a similar experience? Please raise your hand if you do. Maybe your mother, grandmother, or some other people would be telling you stories in such a beautiful, sweet, fascinating voice, right? Yes, great, you may lower your hands. You're very lucky people. It's wonderful to see you. Yes. Fine. Now, the team was ready and everything was going well. The only thing which was left out was to select a good story for us to present. Now, does anyone know about Art of Storytelling competition? Anyone? Okay, let me explain. Basically, Art of Storytelling competition is that we will be having a narrator who will be, of course, telling the story. And there will be other 5 members who will be surrounding you and they will be doing some mimicry, background sounds, or BGM, you could say if you want. For example, if the narrator says something like, "The lion roared at the man," the others surrounding him would make sounds like, "Oh." Okay, something like that. Yes, you got the basic idea. Thumbs up, fine. Now you understood what Art of Storytelling competition is. It's a beautiful contest. According to me, group items are very tough. Okay? Any group activity is very difficult because it is very important to develop that important link between your members. Teamwork is very essential. Okay? Only when the link is established can the team have a chance of winning the competition. Otherwise, it would be a no-go for them. I had the same difficulty too, to make friends with my members. They were people who I was not familiar with. But gradually, we became friends, good friends. We started having that relationship between us. The bond was going well. We learned the story. The whole team was a promising. I was immediately rushed to the hospital. The doctor advised me rest. He put a bandage around my leg. I was crying with literal pain. I couldn't even take a single step. But more than that, what kept me worrying was about the contest. What will my teammates do? Will I be able to participate? Will I be able to present in the district stage? Replacement was not an option, because the person who replaces me has to learn the story in that limited time and also has to establish that important link with my team members. I was confused, my teammates were entirely confused. The whole universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. My dear friends, success is a journey. You'll be facing many hurdles, hardships, difficulties. You'll meet people who are confused and people who will make you confused. But with determination and desire, you can fly across through all of them and have a splendid journey to remember. Thank you everyone for patiently listening to me. I will be concluding by sharing 2 more happy news. I have become an author now. I published my first book. This is my first book. It is titled Kuti Detective. It is titled Kuti Detective and the Mystery of Ivory Turn, case number 11. It is a detective fiction. You can find this book on Amazon, Flipkart. Ebook version is also available. So this story is about Kuti Detective, his journey of solving the problem at Ivory Turn. Then I also have an English YouTube channel. named Kichu Let's English, where you can find videos related to idioms, vocabulary, cooking, vlogs, and much more. And the sessions which I take in different schools will also be available, including this one. This video will also be uploaded soon. So please do check out both of them. Your support in both these regards is highly appreciable. Once you finish reading the book, please do leave a review for me, which will really help for my betterment. Once again, I would like to wholeheartedly thank IRHSS, especially Jasila ma'am, for giving me the opportunity, inviting me to inaugurate this wonderful club, Speakia, and to talk to all of you. Now, if you have any questions, you can ask me. You can ask me different questions, and I'll try my level best to answer it. Is there anyone who has any question? The question?
What inspired you to make the book?
Thank you for that question.
What inspired me to write the book Kuti Detective and the Mystery of Identity?
Fine. It's a bit of long story. It again started in 2021. I was invited to be interviewed in an Akashvani FM, a radio program. Then the person who interviewed me was Munir Amayur. Okay? After having a fantastic interview, he gifted me one of his books. Okay? It was titled The Growth Hacker. I couldn't read the book. It remained in my shelf for up to 2 years. Now it was during the vacation I began writing the book. Mainly because I got an opportunity to participate in an internship program for an event called Readathon 23. Basically, it's an event to inspire young children like you to read books instead of spending. Who has motivated me the most? Okay, that's a very good question. The person who has motivated me the most in my life is none other than my mother. Like there is no one. She's always inspired me to do more. She itself is a person who has gone through lots of difficulties. She was a person who comforted me when I go through difficulty. And I'm sure, even behind all of you, your parents will do a great more in pushing you no matter what happens. Have that desire and determination. Then any other questions you would like to ask? Yes, Omar, back to you. Omar has lots of questions to ask.
Yes.
What inspired you to study English?
What inspired me to study English? As I said before, studying English, I really didn't study English. But what inspired me to talk English? Let's transform the question. You're okay, right? What inspired me to talk in English? Are you okay with that question if I transform it?
One more.
Yeah, let me answer this and then I'll get back to you. Fine. So what inspired me to do public speaking? Mainly because it is a feeling you get quiet talking and interacting with different people, different behaviors, cultures. It's a great feeling when you interact with people. They might be having some difficulty, and if you are able to transform their lives, it's a much better feeling. So that's what always inspires me. At times when I finish sessions at schools, the students over there would come at me, thanking me. You know, that feeling is what keeps me moving, keeps me pushing forward every single time. I love to see some happy faces. I love to see some sad faces. And I love to change that sad faces too. So that's the motive. That's what inspires me. Then anyone else? Yes. What's your name? What's your question? Do I have any regrets in my life? I think my main regret would be choosing to study in a school. I'm not going to mention. Okay, I don't want to write that school. But for me, my experience at a school was not really great. Okay, that's what I regret, my schooling there.
Do you have a question? Okay, then How is Kerala? I'll come back to you. How is Kerala?
Kerala is very, very beautiful. It is really God's own country. You're making Kerala beautiful. Kerala, the nature, everything I really love about. That's why I chose to stay here in Then, what's your name?
Amen.
Amen. What's the question?
How you free from stage fear?
Okay, about stage fear. No worries. This is only a fun activity. Now, Amen. Speakia is going to conduct an English elocution. Your teacher has given you a topic. You're fully prepared. Are you comfortable to present in front of your parents the speech? Yes, you're comfortable. Okay. So you have now presented in front of your parents. The parents said, super, wow, great job. Then some of your best friends asked you to present it. Okay, 1 or 2. Are you comfortable? No, you're not comfortable by presenting with your friends. Okay, now you're coming to the stage to present in front of judges. There are your teachers. All of your friends are there. What about now? No. Now what if this? What if you see all of the judges and parents as your parents? All of the judges and friends as your parents. Will you be able, if you change up the mindset, just, this is your mother, this is your father, just imagine everything like that. Your whole family is in front of you. Then would you be able to present it? Yes, right now. Thank you so much. Can we give a round of applause? What inspired to make my YouTube channel? The first thing is, my memory power is not really good. Okay? I forget what happens instantly. Like, if you have some good moments with my mom, like if you went to a tour, the next year, I would say, did we really go there? What happened? Which is Adirapalli waterfalls? I know where we're going. So that's my thing. So memory power is a bit lacking for me. So that's that YouTube channel. That's the main reason. So we can store lots of beautiful memories, jokes apart. And then another thing was during the lockdown period, there was not much to do. It was a very boring period. So I thought of why not doing some videos for my YouTube channel. Then I started there, idioms, word of the days, grammar, cooking, dance videos, and much. Am I planning to write a new book? As of now, no. Probably after August, I'm planning to write another book. Maybe another case book of this one or something else. Is that? I hope now we can conclude. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ham Bicha. Now he did well. How he presented? How was it? Beautiful? Nice? Amazing? Excellent? Okay. Now now give him a big applause.
Warm and graceful afternoon to our most valued Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Kichu, Management Committee, worthy teachers, and my dear friends.
Thank you so much, IRHSS, for this superb hospitality shown and for arranging a delicious meal. I truly loved being there, interacting with these awesome students. It was a wonderful and huge campus. Once again, heartfelt gratitude for giving me this opportunity.